Hello everyone and welcome back to your piano lesson. If you are here for the first time, I am Gianluca Fronda, pianist, composer, piano and composition teacher. If you want to discover interesting facts about me, you can watch the introduction video of the channel. I'm leaving the link below in the description, where you will find also the link for my artistic channel in case you are interested in original music and covers. Going back to the Piano Lessons to Go channel, don't forget to subscribe and to share also with your friends if there is anybody that is interested in piano music. Let me know also about yourself when you started studying, your experience. Now time to go to our lesson. After the general explanation made in the previous video regarding the minor scales, the minor natural scale, and the only difference existing in between the major and the minor starting from the same identical key, today I want to show you finally, to play for you and explain the first minor scale that I want to share with everybody, that is the A minor, but this time not only A minor natural but also A minor melodic and A minor harmonic. And I'm going to play for you same as I did with major scales, one octave with the right, one octave with the left, one octave hands together, two octaves with the right, two octaves with the left, all of them obviously slowly and fast at the end, the 1-2 octaves, but same identical story, same as I did with the major scales. But obviously before I play, I want to finally clarify also and write down which one is the characteristic of the minor melodic scale and of the harmonic scale. We said that the minor natural scale has the same identical keys of its relative major, but considering the scales starting from one identical key, for example C major or C minor, A major or A minor, we notice that the difference is in the third note, in the sixth and in the seventh. But remember that anyways, if we treat for example today A minor natural as only white keys, same as C major. What about the melodic scale? The minor melodic scale is simply and only, let's write now, minor melodic scale is the 6th and 7th degree raised in the ascending direction. Ascending. What does it mean ascending? When it goes to the right. So 6th and 7th degrees of the scale raised in the ascending direction, raised of one semitone. When you go down in the descending direction, back to the requirement of the key signature. 6th and 7th, back to the requirement of the key signature. This is my way of explaining it. In general, what you hear, what you read, is that in the descending is lowered again. So, but it's the same identical thing. So lowered, obviously, starting from this raising. In a practical way that is easier, if this is the first note, A, B is the second, C is the third, fourth, fifth. This is the sixth of A minor natural, and this is the seventh. When you go up in the melodic scale, you have to raise the sixth of one semitone. F has to become F sharp, and the seventh, G, has to become G sharp. And then obviously you start. What do I mean when I say this in the descending direction, 6th and 7th, back to the requirement of the key signature? You have to lower them. You will notice that you will get the natural sign before the G and before the F, and indeed in the descending, back to the requirement of the key signature, where all the keys were supposed to be white. That's why I say back to the requirement of the key signature. And this is the aspect, the main characteristic of the melodic scale. What about the harmonic scale? Minor harmonic scale. In this case, just the seventh degree, now this time is only one, has to be raised in both directions. It means that these rays of the seventh will generate a very atypical and uncomfortable, I should say, distance in between the 6th and the 7th. So the result will be an interval of 1 tone and half between the 6th and the 7th. What do I mean in practice? Let's pay attention. Again, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. You don't have to touch at all, but you have to raise the seventh. The G, instead of being this one, has to be this one. You see that what is happening? It looks like a minor third for many of you, but in this case it has to be considered like 1 tone and a half. This is one tone, because we have the semitone in between them, and this is an extra semitone. So F is this, and this is G sharp, and here we are. And this is what happened. This is the characteristic of the minor harmonic scale. One thing that probably you have noticed is that A minor is using the same identical standard fingering used by C major or by A major. You remember A major? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, same story. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or even if it's melodic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, or even if it's harmonic. Same story. And will be the same on the left side. Now, stop talking. I finally play all of them one by one for you. Now I play in a row the three forms of A minor, natural, melodic and harmonic, 1 octave with the right, and I will do the same in every single case. Now, 1 octave with the right, slowly, A minor, natural, one octave with the right, A minor, melodic, 1 octave with the right, A minor, harmonic. 1 octave with the left hand, A minor, natural. 1 octave with the left hand, A minor, melodic. 1 octave with the left hand, A minor, harmonic. Now hands together, A minor, natural, 1 octave. Hands together, A minor, melodic, 1 octave. Hands together, A minor, harmonic, 1 octave. Now time to play A minor, natural, 2 octaves with the right. A minor melodic, 2 octaves with the right. A minor harmonic, 2 octaves with the right. A minor natural with the left hand, 2 octaves. A minor melodic, 2 octaves with the left. A minor harmonic, 2 octaves with the left. minor natural, 2 octaves, hands together. A minor melodic, 2 octaves, hands together. A minor harmonic, 2 octaves, hands together. Now the 3 scales, the 3 typologies, 2 octaves, hands together, fast. The melodic scale now. And the harmonic. You have obviously noticed, as I have mentioned previously anyways, that the A minor is using the same identical standard fingering and obviously has the same identical matching points. Which ones are the matching points? The first matching point is on the 3rd note, then on the 6th note, and on the 8th, whichever is the typology of scale that you play. Harmonic, for example, or melodic. And so on. I think that for now it's more than enough. Obviously things are becoming much more complicated, much more exciting and interesting. I don't think that should be a complicated way to understand these things if you have no idea, if you haven't studied previously any of the minor scales, if you're just discovering them from scratch today. If you have any question, feel free to comment. Thank you very much to everybody that is subscribing, that is appreciating my videos. If it's the first time you're landing on my channel, thanks to this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one.